Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of audio equipment that promises to redefine how you experience your beloved compact disc collection. The Cambridge Audio CXC CD transport player in its sleek lunar gray finish. This isn't just another CD player. It's a meticulously engineered component with a singular, unwavering purpose. The CXC is a pure CD transport. What does that mean? It means there's no built-in digital-to-analog converter, no radio, no frills beyond its core mission. Its job is to read the digital audio information from your CDs with absolute, unerring accuracy, and then pass that pristine data to an external DAC digital-to-analog converter of your choice. This purity of purpose is precisely what allows it to extract every last drop of musical enjoyment from your discs. At the heart of the CXC lies Cambridge Audio's proprietary S3 servo design. This isn't some off-the-shelf drive. It's specifically optimized for audio playback, boasting class-leading levels of jitter rejection and error correction. In simple terms, it ensures that the digital signal leaving the CXC is as clean and precise as possible, free from the timing errors and data inaccuracies that can plague lesser, multi-purpose drives. This dedication to precision and stability is what truly sets it apart, allowing listeners to hear details and nuances in their music they might have missed before. Cambridge Audio has a reputation for excellence, and the CXC is a testament to their continuous innovation. Half a decade after the original CX range made its mark, this upgraded version has been reimagined, re-engineered, and reinvigorated. It delivers even better audio quality from your CD collection, building on an already impressive legacy. The sound of progress, indeed. Connectivity is straightforward and focused on digital purity. The CXC offers both SPDIF coaxial and TOSLINK optical digital audio outputs, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of high-quality DACs and amplifiers. Its robust build, with dimensions of 3.1 inches high, 16.9 inches wide, and 12.4 inches deep, and a weight of 10.3 pounds, speaks to its quality and stability, designed to sit proudly in any home audio setup. For anyone with a cherished CD collection looking to unlock its full potential, the Cambridge Audio CXC CD transport player presents an incredibly compelling case. It's a testament to the enduring quality of the compact disc format when handled with such dedicated precision, promising an unparalleled listening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.